Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix why can't I react to Instagram messages with emojis. Instagram has handy feature that allows you to react to direct messages with different emojis. This saves you from replying to messages with phrases like lamao, sad, etc. However, recently a lot of people have been complaining that they cannot react to DMs with emojis. In this video we are going to explore the best solution for resolving this problem. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is logging in and out of your Instagram account. The very first solution to this problem is to simply log off your Instagram account, wait a while and then log back in. For this, launch the Instagram application and tap on your profile icon present at the bottom right. Now tap on the hamburger menu present at the top of the screen. Next, tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on logout. Log out of all accounts option, wait for a minute or two and then log in your account again and check to see if the issue has been resolved or not, and you are done. And the next step is checking internet connection. The next thing you should do is to check your internet connection. Multiple reports claim that the issue was linked to a slow and unstable internet connection, and once that was resolved, so was the issue. If your internet is acting up, you must have noticed it by now. However, you can also run a speed test and see if your internet speed is adequate. And the next step is force stop the Instagram application. If this solution doesn't work, you should force stop the Instagram application. Doing so should resolve any minor bugs present in the application. Swipe up from the bottom of your mobile screen to open recent application. If Instagram is among the opened apps, swipe up to remove it from recent, and you are done. And the next step is reinstalling the Instagram application. The next step would be to uninstall the Instagram application and then reinstall it. Reinstalling the application will ensure that you are using the latest version of it available. For this, press and hold the Instagram application until a pop-up menu appears and then tap on remove app. Next, tap on delete app and then tap on delete again to confirm. And after deletion, go to App Store and then reinstall the Instagram application again, and you are done. And also make sure the other person is following you. Another cause of this issue can be that both the participants of the chat are not following each other. And the next step is submitting a report on Instagram. If none of these solutions have worked for you, as a last resort, you should submit a report on Instagram. For this, launch the Instagram application and shake your phone. Now tap on report problem and then tap on include and continue. Write a detailed note of what you are facing, upload a relevant screenshot and then tap on send option. This will submit your report and hopefully your issue will get resolved and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix when you can't react to Instagram messages with emojis, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.